Here's a more detailed, exam-oriented expansion of Ketorolac, with deeper pharmacology, clinical reasoning, and practical points. A Ketorolac detailed study. Number 1, basic information, expanded, generic name, ketorolactromethamine, class NSAID, heterocyclic acetic acid derivative, potency, comparable to low-dose opioids, e.g. morphine for acute pain, brands, Toradol, Ketanov, Acurums and Routes, oral tablets, 10 milligrams, IV injection, ophthalmic, 0.4.5%. Number 2, definition, expanded. Ketorolac is a highly potent non-opioid analgesic NSAID, mainly used for short-term management of moderate to severe acute pain, especially in postoperative settings where it reduces opioid requirement, opioid-sparing effect. Number 3, mechanism of action, deep explanation. Inhibits both COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes, non-selective, blocks conversion of arachidonic acid, prostaglandins, effects of prostaglandins, pain, sensitization, analgesia, inflammation, anti-inflammatory, fever, antipyretic. Important clinical insight. COX-1 inhibition, GI toxicity plus platelet inhibition. Ketorolac strongly inhibits platelet aggregation, bleeding risk. 4, pharmacokinetics, detailed. Absorption, oral bioavailability, 80 to 100%. IM absorption, rapid and complete. Distribution, highly protein-bound, 99%. Crosses placenta, enters breast milk. Metabolism, hepatic via hydroxylation and conjugation. Elimination, renal, 90%. Small amount via feces. Half-life, adults 5 to 6 hours, elderly up to 7 to 8 hours. Clinical relevance, accumulates in renal impairment, toxicity risk. 5 uses, expanded clinical uses. Postoperative pain, most common. Trauma-related pain. Renal colic, kidney stones. Dental pain. Acute musculoskeletal disorders. Migraine, off-label. Ophthalmic, post-cataract surgery inflammation, allergic conjunctivitis. Indications precise. Moderate to severe acute pain requiring opioid-level analgesia, used as primary analgesic or adjunct to reduce opioid dose. Not indicated for chronic conditions like arthritis. Number 7, contraindications, detailed with reasoning. Peptic ulcer disease, GI bleeding, worsens bleeding. Renal failure, reduces renal perfusion. Hypovolemia, dehydration, kidney injury risk, bleeding disorders, platelet inhibition. Before-after surgery, bleeding risk. Pregnancy, 3rd trimester, premature closure of ductus arteriosus. Labor, prolongs bleeding. NSAID precautions, clinical judgment. Use cautiously in early, very high GI risk, hypertension, fluid retention, heart disease, CV risk, liver disease. Avoid combining with aspirin, ibuprofen. NSAID 9, how to use, clinical practice tips. Start with IV-IM, switch to oral, step-down therapy. Always prescribe lowest effective dose. Duration strictly limited to 5 days. Ophthalmic, wash hands, avoid contamination. Number 10, dosing information detail. IV-IM, 30 milligrams every 6 hours, max 120 milligrams per day. Oral, 10 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours, max 40 milligrams per day. Special populations, elderly renal impairment, max 60 milligrams per day. Total combined therapy, IV plus oral, must not exceed 5 days. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, PEEP, skip if next dose is near. Overdose features, GI bleeding, acute kidney injury, metabolic acidosis, CNS depression. Management, supportive care, activated charcoal early. Number 12, when to stop, avoid. Stop immediately if hematemesis, melena, severe abdominal pain, reduced urine output, allergic reaction. Avoid in chronic pain management, long-term use. 13, side effects expanded. Common, dyspepsia, nausea, dizziness. Moderate, edema, hypertension, constipation. Severe, GI ulceration and bleeding. Acute renal failure, anaphylaxis, bronchospasm, especially in asthma patients. High yield points. Maximum duration equals 5 days, very important exam point. Highest GI toxicity among NSAIDs, strong platelet inhibition, bleeding risk, not for pediatric routine use. Number 15, drug interactions, increased bleeding risk, warfarin, heparin, antiplatelets. Kidney risk, ACE inhibitors, ARBs, diuretics. GI risk, corticosteroids. Number 16, drug comparison, expanded feature, Ketorolac, diclofenac, ibuprofen, and potency, very high, moderate. Use duration, plot of 5 days. Long-term possible, GI risk, very high, moderate. Opioid substitute, yes, no. Number 17, pay teaching, detailed counseling. Here's is a focused, detailed patient teaching section for Ketorolac, written in a clear, exam-friendly, and patient-centered way. Ketorolac, patient teaching. Duration of use, most important. Use this medicine for short-term only, maximum 5 days. Do not continue beyond prescribed duration. It is not for chronic pain like arthritis. 2. How to take the medicine. Take with food or milk. Reduces stomach irritation. Swallow tablet with a full glass of water. Follow exact dose and timing prescribed. Do not increase dose on your own. 3. Avoid while taking Ketorolac. Avoid alcohol. Increases risk of stomach bleeding. Avoid other painkillers like ibuprofen, aspirin. Avoid smoking. Increases ulcer risk. Number 4. Important warning signs. Seek medical help immediately. Tell patient to report black or tarry stools, vomiting blood or coffee-colored material, severe stomach pain, reduced urine output, swelling of face, lips, or difficulty breathing. 5. Kidney protection advice. Drink plenty of fluids. Avoid dehydration, especially important in elderly patients. 6. Dizziness and safety may cause dizziness. Avoid driving, operating machinery until effects are known. 7. Special populations advice. Elderly, higher risk of bleeding, use cautiously. Pregnancy, avoid, especially in late pregnancy. Breastfeeding, consult doctor. 8. Eye drops if prescribed. Wash hands before use. Do not touch dropper tip. Remove contact lenses before use. 9. Compliance and follow-up. Do not skip or double doses. Attend follow-up if prescribed. Inform doctor about all other medications. 10. Key take-home messages. High yield. Use for only 5 days. Take with food. Avoid other NSAIDs and alcohol. Report any bleeding immediately. Thank you. Have a nice day.